Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I am doing a swipe using card. I've made two different swipe colours as well. This is a Aztec Gold by Arteza and this is a mix of Oxide Black and Prussian Phthalo Blue by Amsterdam. That same colour is going to be my base. And then I've got these bright colours that I'm going to swipe a ghost pour. So starting from the middle and working out. Now, I was a bit nervous, so I've had a little practice, and this is the kind of look I'm going for. How cool is that? So let's get started. So this is a 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm going to paint my edges. So I'll speed this up. Okay, I've got all my edges painted. Now this video is an inspiration from a couple of different artists that you might know. We've got Kathleen from Cos Creations and Julie from Pour Your Heart Out. They've both done something similar to this, so shout out to them. And I'm just going to pour my base on. Keep a little bit. I'm going to spread that with my palette knife. This is a good one, this one. It's a palette knife. We've got some bubbles. I'm going to have to tilt this base. Now this is a start of a little series that I'm going to do because I need to get some confidence in doing bigger canvases. This one's 18 by 24 inch. So this is like a size that I have done before. I've only done it once on the gallery wrap and I've done it a couple of times on the single edge. And I'm going to work my way up to bigger and bigger canvases until I hit a 24 by 36 inch. Hope I've got enough paint on this canvas. I'm already having trouble tilting. I'm only tilting one colour. But I shouldn't need to tilt this design. So the tilting is done now. I'll just take that back to the centre. Just making sure I've got a nice thickness of the edge there. And now I'm going to put some colours down. Now with my test piece, I had too much of the Prussian blue, I think. So I'm going to have a little bit less of that in this. This looks quite navy now, but it's going to dry quite black because I did do a little test of that as well. So I'm going to start with the Prussian Phthalo Blue. Now I'm going to do Aqua green. So I'm going to do both sides. All right, now I'm going to put this black through the middle. It's not black, this is my swipe. And then I'm going to place the gold either side. Oh, I hope this is good. Going to put a little bit extra of this. All right. I'm going to swipe from the thicker part here, I think, first. That way, if I want to add a bit more colour, I can. I might have to come around the other side to swipe from that way. Let's go with this size, I think. Otherwise, I've got this size. I'll keep that one handy. All right, here we go. I'm going to start off the edge because I want to make sure I get the edge. Nice. Still didn't quite get that edge there though. So I might have to fix that up with a little piece. Which I did grab a little piece here. Curl this a bit. There we go. Just going to put a little bit extra black through there. Not sure about these bits in the middle. So what I might do is I'm going to make a bit of a gap here, swipe here, nice, and then go over with this one. Yeah. Still I'm going to need to come over with a small piece. Thought I was going to end up with more of the light colour than I had. Alright. A little bit more of the white. Here we go. So got some nice white through there. And then I'll come through with the smaller one. Okay. And then a little bit off the side here. Don't know if I like that. I do have a really small piece. Where is it? Dug in a bit there. Oh well, it's a little bit interesting. I'm going to go around the other side and I'm going to come from this direction. Not much gold in that one. Oh no! Oh, I just have to make sure I swipe all the way down there, I think. Right, I'm going to come off the side here. Good. I wanted to get a bit of gold there. I think that one is not wide enough for there. This one might be. Yeah. Let's get a bit more gold. All right. Interesting drips off the side here. Got quite a bit of white here and the gold up there. Is it balanced enough? Wow. So, got little bits of the white. I don't know if I want to touch it too much. I might just leave it. Definitely got the gold coming through. I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. I'm sorry about the bit of shine from the lights. I had trouble getting them into a position where they wouldn't reflect. But check this out. They're such cute little cells. And I like the fact that, like, I've got blocks of gold in places, then there's sort of blocks of white, like here, a big block of white. There's only a hint of the Prussian Phthalo Blue sort of through the middle. Tiny little cells there. This one didn't sell up that much, and I think it's because I didn't grab any of the black, or Prussian Phthalo Blue / black. Yeah, but this is really pretty. So I think this is called a ghost pour, and it's probably because it's got this sort of ghost effect as you lift off the paper or the cardboard. It leaves this sort of wisp, ghostly effect. Over this side here, I've gone quite heavy and all the way to the end. But yeah, I will bring you back when this is dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And look at the gold shine. Check that out. Show you some of those details. They're quite pretty. I'll put it up on the wall. Somebody suggested that I try doing that, so I found a spot to put it, and hopefully this whole series you'll see up here, except I might have something in the way for the big ones, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, really happy with this one. So the next one will be a 24 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm going to be doing a swipe. So I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.